Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G51 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's tap on advanced, and right to enter it we've got the wallpaper section, so simply enter. And as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from live wallpapers, from Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, or the defaultly installed wallpapers. And let me pick something from those options. And as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Be aware that if you won't have the internet connection, then only on-device wallpapers and of course my photos will be available. You won't be able to see that albums. So remember about the Wi-Fi connection, for example. And as I said, here you've got My Photos, which is basically your own gallery. You can simply tap on it and you will be transferred there. Here we've got some on-device wallpapers, so defaultly installed wallpapers. We've got only one option here. And here we've got much more. So all you have to do is to simply enter the album you're interested in. And as you can see here, we've got some more options to choose from. And all you have to do in order to check the preview is to simply tap on it. And as you can see, it will immediately be displayed, let's say, almost on the full screen. We can check the preview. We can check the preview of the home screen and lock screen also, so that's quite a cool option. What's more here, if this arrow icon will be activated, so if it will be highlighted, then you will be able to zoom in or out the photo. You will be also able to change the position of it. It's up to you. If you want to lock the photo in one place, simply untick this option, let's say just tap on it, and you won't be able to do anything. Of course, after tapping on this info icon, you will be able to check the details of the wallpaper. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon, and right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. Here we've got the information that the wallpaper has been changed successfully, and as you can see, after getting back to the home page, we can check that we've got this wallpaper set. Let's check the lock screen, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Motorola Moto G51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.